Namaste parents and children, welcome back to our channel Montessori Wisdom from Bells Montessori. Today we are again back with one of the exciting practical life activity, that is how to roll and unroll the mat. You may think, why is this needed, or is it really helping our child or something like that? Yes, definitely it is one of the greatest fine motor skills. The child will start focusing, concentrating. His finger movements and hand movements and the wrist movements becomes very precise. The hand and eye coordination becomes enhanced and immense. I can keep on telling the benefits of rolling and unrolling the mat. In future series we will also see in detail. Now we will see how to do the rolling and unroll. Let us see how to carry the mat now.
Shall we see how to unroll a mat? So we have unrolled the mat completely. So once child unroll the mat any number of times, and some other day we will see how to roll a mat. Shall we see now? Bye.